Hey guys, welcome to How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper banger. I've already started doing it, so I got the measurements perfect. Well, not perfect, but good, so it would work, because they need to be pretty good to work. Anyway, this is how to make a paper banger, so let's get started. So you want to fold the top bit over, nice and creased. You all done that? Sorry, my hand. You all done that? Cool. Then, you want to fold it over again. All done that? That's amazing. Now fold it so you see it's back a bit, fold it so that bit is on the outside, and then you've got this. Now that's finished. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, how's this bang? Well, you fold, so you take the edge piece, so here's the two openings at the front, but the back of it, you peel that up. Then you want to get this bit and pop it on one, hold it down, and then put the other piece on that. Hold it together. This is your paper banger, which you've got to go like this. It will bang. Better to do it standing up to get your whole body weight into it and go like so I'm not going to do it in a chair, but trust me, it works. It is very, very powerful. It's probably, if I can do it, I'll go off camera for a minute so I can show you how loud it is. This is very hard, I've got to say. You probably all heard that. That was the paper banger. That was extremely loud. Now, you're going, well, how do I use this again? It's already been folded once, so you fold it over again. Fold it how I said, and do this step again where you pull it, put it together, and then you're back at here again at your amazing paper banger. Anyway, you can do it again. It'll pop, and then I can do a simulation sort of thing. Then it'll go like this. Then you fold it again, fold it over, do this, stick it back, and you get the idea. So that is it for the video. It's a very short one, but for a good amount of time spent popping. Now this is a very good prank for, like, I don't know, go up to your brother's room or your sister's, and they'll be shocked out of their life. It is so loud. But anyway, shout out to my editor who has done an amazing intro. Might not be the best in the world, but I don't know how to edit, so he's done an amazing job. Thanks, Carlos. Anyway, thank you so much for everybody who's helped me along the way. If you want to subscribe to How To, click over here. If you want to see the last video, click over here. Signing off for now. See ya.